I designed the estate planning masterclass for advisors who counsel people who have to address issues that estate planning addresses, which is to say everybody, right? Because everybody dies. And so, for example, people who sell real estate, right, are working with people who are now buying houses, which are major assets in a family's life. And if that real estate agent understands that in their state, a revocable living trust is a really good investment once you buy real estate, they can help their clients figure out how to get that done, right? There's one example. If you're a financial planner and you have a clear understanding of the tax implications of various kinds of estate planning tools, you're going to be in a much better position to advise your clients when they do things like buy big insurance policies. How should they hold that insurance policy? How can you advise them about the best way to think about an asset like that? Or if they become much wealthier than they used to be, what do they need to think about in terms of gifting and estate taxes? You can become a much more valuable advisor to them if you can help them identify and issue spot legal issues that they aren't aware of. Another good example would be if you're an accountant and you have a client whose parents just passed away. If you understand how estate and gift taxes work, you can be a much more effective advisor to that person and help them get the resources that maybe you don't offer, but that they definitely need at a time like that. So those are 3 good examples, I think. And finally, if you're like a healthcare worker, right, anybody in the healthcare field, you should understand what a power of attorney for healthcare does. You should understand how to help your clients get them. You should understand what a legitimate one looks like so that you can use it. If you're in banking, same thing with the power of attorney for finance. These are the #1 elder abuse documents. So if you're in a job that requires you to deal with people and their money in a fiduciary way, you should understand those documents and how they work and how they're effective and when they're not.